Hi guys, welcome back to Night Color Reviews, the channel where I'm supposed to review things, but today I'm restoring this BMX bike from 2012. This is a Mongoose R20 20-inch Mongoose Scan. I took off both the wheels. It is not a rideable bike anymore. And here it is, the Mongoose R20 Scan in its full glory in pieces. And this is what I've done. So I've cleaned these bars, so, not fully cleaned. They're gonna take a lot more work to fully clean them. But this is how I'm gonna leave them. Silver like that, but look at this. This is the seat clamp. Now I've completely chromed this thing. Sanded it so that it's silver. I hope you enjoyed this section of the video. See ya.